As you could see, I have this Yaki Glueless wig unit today from Ashimaryhair. So this is a 16-inch wig unit. I'm not sure of the density, but I'll make sure that I leave it down below for you guys. That is that on that. And so far so good when it comes to it being glueless. Now, as you guys could see, this does sit on the top of my ear, so I'm not really sure how this is supposed to be glueless completely, but we'll see. I might have to cut around my ears. So anyway, I may can use some tape to secure the ear tabs because it's not going to lay flat, you guys, so it's just what it is. I also feel like I need to go in and cut around the hairline as well because it's just a little too much lace in my opinion, just in certain areas. Put the tape somewhere over here. Hopefully it sticks because I do have my makeup. Let me get this other side. You always want to take off the blue side first and leave the tab so that you can just use it to fill it up. I had to figure that out, but yeah, see how the tab is still on there? Make sure you move your hair out your way because you do not want this on your real hair. Trust me. And that's that on that. So now it's stuck. If you guys can see, I don't know if you could tell, but I have it stuck on here enough. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation.